Welcome to Kalinga Institute of Innovative Science and Arts. Last class रे आमे discussion करथिले that is introduction to mathematical induction and गोटी आमे problem solved करथिले that is by using the principle of mathematical induction. Okay, and in this class we are going to discuss another problem, and that problem is that proved by principle of mathematical induction, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. This formula is also called square of natural number. Okay, and we are going to solve this problem by principle of mathematical induction. Okay, so let us start. First step is what? The statement is denoted by Pn. Okay, the first step is what? The statement is denoted by Pn. Now, so Pn such that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 upon 6. Okay, so now our second step, that is this is the statement is denoted by this one. Okay, now the first step is what? This is C, means what? Check the statement is true for n equal to what? 1. Okay, so our first step is check the statement is true for n equal to 1. This is the first step. Okay, now for n equal to 1, this is LHS. Okay, now LHS is what? आमे एही n जगह में 1 पुट करके देखले भी होबो, किंबा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रो आमे 1 रो स्क्वायर जो हमर जो पैटर्न टा अछि, एही जो स्क्वायर ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर जो पैटर्न टा सेटा कोन अछि? n स्क्वायर हिसाब रे अछि, सम ऑफ n स्क्वायर हिसाब रे अछि. दैट मींस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे 1 रो स्क्वायर दिस इज 1, और डायरेक्ट आमे एठी 1 पुट करले भी होबो. हमर जो पैटर्न टा थाए से पैटर्न रे आमे पुट कर देले भी हमर LHS वैल्यू आसी जिवो. This is 1. LHS is equal to what? 1. Now we move to RHS. Okay, and RHS is what? आमे simply कौन करबा? राइट हैंड साइड जो n अछि आमे 1 पुट कर दबा. This is 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay, plus 1 upon 6. And it is equal to what? This is 1 plus 1 2, and this is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 by 6 is equal to what? 1. Now आमे पाइले कोन? LHS equal to RHS. So आमे लिखि दबा कोन? We find out LHS equal to RHS. Okay, since LHS equal to RHS, so P1 is true. Okay, so P1 is true. Now our second step is what? Assume that pk is true, that is for n equal to m. Okay, first class रे हमें डिटेल्स रे डिस्कशन करी छे. Okay, so मु डायरेक्टली स्टेप वाइज मु स्टेप गुडा को लेखि की गली बुझियला. So assume the statement is true for n equal to m. Okay, assume the statement is true for n equal to m. So Pm such that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to m square equal to what? This is m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 upon 6. Okay, now we have to prove that the statement is true for what? N equal to m plus 1. It is our next step, that is P. P for what? Prove that the statement is true for n equal to m plus 1. Prove the statement is true for n equal to m plus 1. Okay, and for this we have proof. जदि आम n इक्वल टू m प्लस 1 पाई जदि हमको प्रूफ करा को हबो ताहले हमको कोन प्रूफ करा को हबो? दैट इज वी हैव 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर अप टू m स्क्वायर, ओके, प्लस m प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड रे हमें n जारे m लिखि दबा, दैट इज m इनटू m प्लस 1 लिखिबा, m जारे केते लिखिबा m प्लस 1, and this is equal to what? This is m plus 1 into m plus 2 into, and this is 2 into m plus 1, 2 into m plus 1, that is 2m plus 2 plus 1, this is 2m plus 3, 2m plus 3 upon 6. एबे हमको प्रूफ करवा को हबो जे LHS इक्वल टू RHS. आम LHS पार्ट नबा और आम प्रूफ करवा दिस इज RHS. ओके, नाउ LHS, दिस इज 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर अप टू m स्क्वायर, ओके, अप टू m स्क्वायर प्लस m प्लस 1 रो होल स्क्वायर, and it is equal to, we know that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to m square equal to what? M into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 upon 6. So it is equal to m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 upon 6. Okay, plus m plus 1 raw whole square. Okay, now it is equal to what? It is equal to m plus 1 जदि आम कॉमन नबा, दिस इज कॉमन नेली मु m plus 1 रहिबो केते? दिस इज m into 2m plus 1, ओके, m into 2m plus 1 upon 6 plus this is m plus 1. Okay, now आम नहीं कोन LCM, दिस इज इक्वल टू m plus 1 into 2m square plus m plus, okay, 2m square plus m plus, this is 6m plus 6 upon 6, taking LCM. Okay, now m plus 6m, it is equal to what? 7m, and this is equal to m plus 1 into 2m square plus 7m plus 6 upon 6. Okay, m plus 1 into 2m square plus 7m plus 6 upon 6. आज जदि आमे याको जदि फैक्टराइजेशन करिबा, जदि आमे 2m square plus 7m plus 6 को जदि आमे फैक्टराइजेशन करिबा, and again it is equal to what? This is equal to m plus 1 into 2m square plus 4m plus 3m plus 6. 7m को आम लिखि पारबा कोन? 4m plus 3m upon 6, and it is equal to m plus 1 into 2m जदि कॉमन नबा, ओके, ताले केते आसीबो? दिस इज m plus 2 plus 3 कॉमन नेले केते आसीबो? दिस इज m plus 2 upon 6, and it is equal to what? m plus 1 into 2m plus 3 or 2m plus 3 into m plus 2 okay whole divided by 6 जोटा कि हमको राइट हैंड साइड प्रूफ कर दैट इज m plus 1 into m plus 2 into 2m plus 3 upon 6 which is equal to what RHS. ओके सो आम LHS नेले आउ पाइले कौन RHS ओके ताहले हमर कंक्लूजन टा कौन हबो सिंस PM plus 1 is true since the statement is true for n equal to m plus 1 for which it is true for n equal to m so the given statement is true by principle of mathematical induction. ओके कंक्लूजन टा हमें लिखि दबा टिके कंक्लूजन टा कौन हबो दिस इज since the statement is true for n equal to m plus 1 for which it is true for n equal to m okay therefore it is true for all natural numbers okay by principle of mathematical induction okay so आम यही क्लास रे पढ़िले कौन बाय प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन प्रूव दैट सम ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ ए नेचुरल नंबर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 okay so in the next class we discuss some other problem okay so till that take care and thanks to all of you.